Hey, my name's Octavio Montoya, and here we have my partner, Joel Medina. I'm going to go ahead and share the screen.
Hi, so Octavio and I were first introduced to the elevator trainer project from Paul Blake of Taft College. He wanted a trainer that would not only provide a fun and interactive learning experience for students, but also teach programming fundamentals and systems that perform everyday tasks, enhancing the life of customers, such as an elevator. He gave us a objective. He gave us some points to that he wanted on the on the trainer. He specifications. He wanted 3 elevators built, each having 4 floors, and a height restriction of 12 to 18 inches, and it should be able to sit on a standard school desk or table. He didn't want the weight to exceed 25 pounds, and he didn't want the budget to be over $100. But unfortunately, we were able to. Unfortunately, that was not achievable with a $100 budget. The budget was the biggest hurdle for us. We compromised at a $350 budget, but we actually spent over approximately $400 just to build one elevator.
And then, so these are the details of the elevator. So on the left here, we have all the components. We have an over travel limit switch so that the elevator wouldn't run the motor past where it needed to. We have a power supply here. We have a magnetic level detect switch right here. So it was just a switch inside, and then this magnet on the elevator would trigger at each level. And then we have a few push buttons, LEDs, and then here's the Arduino. So this is the electrical for the elevator, and then this was one of the first tests. And so this is the motor and cabling setup. We were able to size the motor to where we didn't need any extra sprockets or gears to run the wheel. So we bought a motor that already had a gearbox in it, and we sized it exactly what we needed it to get the right speed. This is a limit switch that cuts power to the motor so that it doesn't travel further than it needs to. And then in the right here, you can see that we have a plexiglass so that you can see the internal workings, but there's actual openings at each floor that you could put things in. This is the original drawing on the left right here, and then it looked pretty close to, the finished product looked pretty close to what we wanted in the end. So it turned out pretty well. We're still finishing it. The electrical goes on tonight, and then we just need a test program in there. But it overall does everything that Blake wanted. Has an encoder on the motor, and it's very light. It's all aluminum except for this bottom plate, which is really rigid to give it that strength, and it's small enough to fit on a desk table. So I'd say it looks like we did what we needed to do, and I think Blake's going to be pretty happy with this. And that's our project. Thank you.
Thank you.